vehicle behind me is the Alvis Supacat. The vehicle is made by Supacat, but on contract with a firm called Alvis, a well-known British military vehicle manufacturer. Our job for our role, 2nd Air Assault Brigade, is used for the Parachute Regiments to collect their supplies from the drop zones. The supplies come in 1-ton pallets. The vehicle's got a built-in winch and a set of ramps at the back, allow it to be taken onto the back and delivered to the troops, whatever that may be, ammunition, water, rations, etc.
The Supacat all-terrain mobile platform, with its 6-wheel drive and low ground pressure, easily covers terrain where other vehicles would have to resort to tracks. Whether it be snow, sand, moorland or mountain terrain, it acts as a highly mobile platform for carrying and towing equipment.
The ATMP, as it's called, the all-terrain mobile platform. And we use that for various tasks, ammo resup, water resup, DZ clearance, very useful vehicle, mainly used for cross-country, not a road vehicle, but very, very good for cross-country, 6-wheel drive vehicle, can cross any terrain. We've taken them to Afghanistan, we've taken them to Macedonia, they've also had use for them in the Iraq, in Optelic too. We've had some go out there now for the deployment, which was just recently. This is now the Mark III, we're going on to the Mark III. You know, you had the Mark I and II before it, and they had a few faults. So they never used to fit the roll cage, and obviously now they've moved on a bit. They fit the roll cage now for safety purposes. It's also a dual amphibious vehicle where it will cross water as well, so we can use it for crossing lakes and things, river crossings.
I went through my instructor course up in Leconfield up in Yorkshire. I was a bit naive at the time. The vehicle does have a swimming capability, however it carries 400 kilos and not 1.5 tons as I found out. I drove it into the water and went straight to the bottom. I quickly got out the seat belt and got myself on top of the roll cage. It was the laughing stock of the course basically. I've since then learned a few lessons. The vehicle's capable about 40 kilometres an hour, which is more than fast enough cross country. The vehicle doesn't have its own suspension system, it's through the tyres. She runs on diesel fuel, she'll take 66.6 litres. She will also run on aviation fuel after if we don't have diesel. That'll take her about 200 miles, obviously depending on the terrain and the load you're carrying at the time. Cost in the region of £60,000. At the moment, the Army are holding, the British Army have 66 of the Mark III model. They also have some of the Mark II models still in service. At the moment, on trial, there's a trailer which is going to go with the vehicle, which has got a built-in forklift and will pick up a ton load. The only real problem, I would say, is the low ground clearance. We get into soft mud, it causes a lot of problems, but however, we have a built-in winch. Provided we get something suitable to hook the winch onto, we can get ourselves out in most cases.
Does tend to belly out when it's following the tank. That's its main problem because of the big tank rucks. The Army are very happy with the new Mark III all-terrain mobile platform. Since that's come in, it's been a very, very good vehicle for us.